If you are suffering from hair loss, hair falling out, thinning hair, alopecia, or are looking for fast hair growth and baldness cure naturally, then try out this amazing hair loss treatment and see how fast does hair grow within a month. It's that old secret hair care for male pattern baldness and hair loss in women. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes which stimulates ingrown hair and helps hair loss cure. It also a great conditioner which gives smooth and shiny hair, acts as a hair growth shampoo. It promotes hairy growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff and conditions your hair. It rejuvenates the hair with its hair vitamins, giving it more elasticity and preventing breakage. Onions provides the best vitamins for hair growth. If you want to know how to make hair growth oil to prevent hair loss causes, then this natural hair products will definitely be answer. You might spending lots of money on hair restoration and hair transplant cost. You are tired of using some best hair growth products from market. Still you are searching how to make hair grow faster. Unlike male pattern baldness, female hair loss or thinning hair means a reduction in hair volume for women. So, you want to know how to grow your hair faster and longer. Onion juice has hair growth vitamins which helps to stimulate hair growth process. This is the best easy natural hair growth tips on how to make your hair grow faster. It will help tackle any scalp issues, hair fall and baldness while also ensuring that your hair grows faster and thicker. Coconut oil has amazing antibacterial properties. It is also an extremely penetrative oil which will help boost the onion juice's ability to nourish your scalp to hair growth for women and men both. Now apply this homemade hair growth oil as demonstrated. You might have some hair loss shampoo or faster hair growth shampoo in the market. Using shampoo to wash your hair every day causes your hair to dry out and lose most of its natural essential oils. Now it's time for some tips on how to grow hair faster. Have a healthy and balanced diet, give your scalp a massage, trim your hair regularly, don't wash too often, don't brush too often, lower your stress levels, avoid oily or fast food and apply this natural hair growth tips routinely. This is what makes hair grow super fast. Every woman desires thick, long, and lustrous hair. From teenagers to oldies. Unfortunately, hair fall, hair loss, and impaired hair growth are common hair issues that people face. If you want an effective, safe, and easy solution for your hair growth problems and how to stimulate hair growth, this is going to be the best natural hair growth products for men and women. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty. Thank you.